What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a product that needs no introduction. So before we use the Nano Technology bike cleaner, we're going to give our bike a pre-rinse. So this bike cleaner, you can spray it over the entire bike and sit back and relax. Yeah, don't feel worried about where you're spraying this, because this is going to get rid of any dirt and grime. Grips I'm doing it on, seat post, my God, oh. So you want to be spraying over your entire bike until you've got arm pump and keep going again. So now we've sprayed over the entire bike with a bike cleaner, we're going to agitate the entire bike with a soft wash brush. So now we've agitated the whole bike with the soft wash brush, simply give it a rinse. So we've just finished rinsing it down, and now we're going to give it a wipe with a luxury microfiber cloth. So that is how you use Nano Tech bike cleaner, very simple.